Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, located in San Jose del Cabo, a beautiful little community and right on the ocean. Currently, I'm in one of their Ocean View Master Suites, and this comes in both a 2 double bed variety and a king. Let me show you what this room is all about. As soon as you walk in over to the left-hand side, you'll see this feature where you put your key in there and it's going to turn the electricity on. So it's an eco-friendly feature. If you come in and you can't get the lights to work or the plugs, it's probably because the key's not all the way in. On my left-hand side, you are going to see the first set of storage. You have your safe up here to the left, plenty of hanging storage and storage up above as well. Just underneath here is where you're going to find your mini fridge that is fully stocked. It's stocked upon your arrival. You have waters, sodas, and beers, and you can have that replenished daily as you like. Next, you'll see the second set of storage right here. This is where you're going to find your iron and ironing board, and you have a little bit of storage up above as well. So now we're just inside the bathroom. You got the toilet tucked around the corner here. I like that they've got a door that shuts off. You have your double vanity right here, your backlit magnifying mirror, all of your amenities, and you have your hair dryer and scale underneath. Now into the shower bath combo. This is kind of a unique configuration. You have your rainforest shower head, even big enough for me, and you have your shower wand as well, and a little nook for your soaps. Here's where you're gonna find your soaking tub, so it's perfect to take a nice relaxing soak, or if you're traveling with kids, it's absolutely perfect to have the bathtub. Your thermostat is just here, and then right down below you have more storage. This is perfect for your luggage, and I love that they have the drawers right underneath. You can put things away. Now we're into the bedroom. I did want to point out this feature right here. So it's a bit of a pass-through to the shower and the bathtub. Of course, you can close that off, but it's perfect for a nice fun game of peekaboo. Here you'll see your 2 double beds. Now keep in mind this does come in a king bed variety as well. Just set between the 2 beds, you have 2 USB plugs, a US plug. I always bring a USB splitter, that way I can plug that in and take advantage of charging all of my devices. You have your phone, remote control, and also a small Bluetooth speaker. And I like that they have these reading lights there so you don't have to disturb your partner in the evening. Just across, you're gonna see your flat panel TV. In addition to being a full television, you can get all kinds of information about the resort there as well. And underneath, you have 3 more US plugs and 2 USB chargers. When they did the renovation a few years ago, I love that they added in so many more plugs in here. More storage up and down, and then you've got your ottoman right here that you can pull out. It's perfect to sit and make this into a small writing desk. Now we're into the living room space. You've got 2 chairs and a table right here to my left. And then right here, you've got your sofa that does turn into a full queen size pullout. I love that because essentially you have 3 large beds in the one room. Now we're out on the veranda. You have 2 chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to take a cup of coffee in the morning, maybe a cocktail in the evening, or to take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu. But what this is about is having that view. This particular one, you can see the pool and then the ocean in the distance. These rooms are very, very prevalent in this resort. They're at the different levels, so we always recommend that you request a higher level. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any on the property, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Playa Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with them, and we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your family, your group, or wedding at an incredible value.